Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip. This one looking at how plants recover when a summer drought finally breaks. My rose garden has indeed put on a good second flush, but rapid growth after the rain means that some of the flower stalks are very thin and the weight of the flower heads is causing them to droop down, but at least they're there. The lawn too is starting to recover, although you can see the square patches that we'd left long throughout the summer after no mow May are still a little bit brown, and the short mown paths are recovering much more quickly, but that will all even out quite soon. Many hardy perennials, like this Brunnera with the variegated leaves, have recovered quickly too, with some new leaves coming and the old ones perking up a bit. It's not looking perfect, but it's definitely going to be surviving through the winter for next year. And even the Japanese anemones have finally put up a few flowers and some more buds to come, but there's definitely going to be a disappointing year for them. On the plus side, I've got a great showing of both pink and white Cyclamen heterofolium, the late summer flowering cyclamen, and these will put out leaves once the flowers are gone, which will give a great colourful, again variegated display throughout the winter. Our silver birch trees too have stabilised. There's plenty of leaves on this. They're not putting out new leaves, of course, at the end of the summer, but the ones that remained after it dropped a few in the drought are greened up and certainly providing a good source of energy for the tree. And finally, a look at our hydrangeas. Those were in good flower when I showed them last month. They're starting to go over now. You can see the flower head just beginning to crisp around the edges. They go a little bit brown rather than bright pink, and those will dry off. And just the first touch of autumn colour on the leaves, boding great stuff for the month to come. There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.